Look at that there. I am fishing and cutlass fish diving inside the boat. Big game. I hope it's not no stupid fish. I fall upon something with the wheels there. Definitely something where we could use. Right folks, we go you take it. You cut out the side, put it flat on the ground and fill it with some concrete. Folks, anybody curious to call that number to find out what's the price for that boat? With fresh caught redfish there. Nice fish, bro. What do you think about it? Folks, look at our weather. This is the calm before the storm. Yeah, nice sunshiny weather. But it wouldn't be so later. Yeah, have a little grace before the bad weather kick in, so we're going to do a little kayaking down Shagaramas there. See if you catch a little snapper or something. You know, to fry or make a broth later. Because this hurricane passing between Barbados and Tobago, it passing kind of way close to Tobago, and we will get some bad weather down here from tonight, tomorrow and so on. So I may not be able to head out, so we're going to do a little adventure and see what we get. Okay, motivate me to stay on shore. I hope you get bored. Yeah, so stay tuned for this. Right folks, we heading up the highway. I look Moti, I pick up Moti. Moti go and lie me the van while I go and paddle. Understand? Moti go take a little sleep in the back there when I follow the kayak and take a little bathe and thing. And look at our weather day. Look at that day. It look like nothing coming. But it's out there. Right now the hurricane's sucking in everything. Everything. When ready to release. Yeah. Anyway, we can see where it goes. I'm monitoring the conditions, and as soon as if it's not again bad, I'll be out of the water. Kind of beautiful skies there. So next stop, Padong Anchorage. Right folks, so we reach. Yeah, water calm. Weather again a little gloomy, but still we have a little grace before the real bad weather come. So I'm gonna launch here in this stink shoreline. Huh? Yeah, no, it did, but it not lock in the end way out. Yeah. So I'm gonna organize launch, head out there for a few hours and see what we get. Yes, look, we are Moti there. Moti want to sail a bit there. I feel how we are sail there. I bring the paddle for you, boy, Moti. Sit down on the seat. Sit down on the seat. Yeah, Moti go and make a little small paddle. Pull up your foot. Hold that paddle there. You know how to hold it, eh?
Me going out.
Righty, righty.
No.
Alright, Moti see here going out. Moti just want to pose up. Yeah, boy. Moti there. Nice, and look we here. Yeah. So anyway, I head all. Moti I want to make no paddle. Yeah.
I could hear.
Yeah. Alright folks, look at that there. I am fishing and cutlass fish diving inside the boat. Look at that cutlass fish inside the boat. And I catch it. I don't know where he come from and dive straight inside the kayak. So we getting through without fishing. Yeah. That one is for Moti. Right folks, so we reached our destination here. Go and try something. I'll leave it up. I'll not talk about fish in the water. Yeah. A few years ago, right behind this plane here, gets 2 nice salmon, about 5-6 pounds. So we gonna try them here. We are the museum there, the army base, the water park there, and the winds starting to pick up a bit, but nothing much to talk about. So we're gonna cast a line now. Let's see if we get lucky. Right, so we had our rod trolling in the water there. Let me see if we pick up. Hey, wait now. I can't believe I have a fish on the rod, man. Yeah, man, we have a fish on the rod. I didn't feel it, but I think we have a fish on the rod. Still not sure. I find it coming in a little hard. Yeah, folks, we have something on the rod. Probably same time the cutlass fish there hit, there's something take. I believe it's a cutlass fish too. Still not sure. I ain't feeling nothing much. Alright, what we have here, boy? Oh god, a dragon fish on the rod. Alright, so we catch our next cutlass fish here. Yeah, Motiga like himself. Yeah. So we double up the arm, catch the. Gotta get pliers to take you out. Yeah. But I believe he didn't take by the arm. He didn't take by the hook. He get hooked up. He get hooked up. Yeah. So let me get he out. Pay more time it's first. Otherwise he might get some trouble. He gone hook on 3 eye. Yeah, he get hooked good. I don't really like the cutlass fish, don't eat it and things so, but Moti should like himself. Moti is a man say he like cutlass. Small one, not too big. So we gotta see there. Alright, so we current pulling hard. Alright, someone feel if I cast and retriever right here, them cutlass fish might take, you know. Let me try a few casts. Alright, we're drifting down fast. Alright, I have bonito there, so I'm gonna try some bonito. See if I could drop our anchor and do a little banking. First things first, we had to paddle back up a bit. We drift down from the area I wanted to fish. Back of the plane there. I have an anchor, I have a block, a piece of stone. I know if that stone could hold anything. Yeah. So let me go back on location there and drop with stone on our anchor. Nice, so I'm back on location here now to maneuver to the front of this kayak and drop the stone. Yeah, that's we stone there. I think they're gonna reach depth, but we're gonna still see how far it reach. Come on, please. Oh Lord. Alright, here too deep. Here is too deep. No. Alright, we touch. Alright, good. Alright, so we touch. Hope we drift. Hope I ain't drift too much. Alright, I'll drift about 10 feet already after dropping the stone. We hope we stay one place. Time to get some thing in the some lines in the water now. Alright, time to get some lines in the water. One thing I ever getting wet and damages. I need to get a dry bag. I was supposed to go by the Chinese last Lomas and get a dry bag, but didn't go yet. So we're gonna try here for a bit. If I ain't get nothing here, I'm going across that way by the wreck where the treasure queen sank and try something. See if we get lucky here first. Time to set up some lines. Alright, we have this. We knife. That's about it. We need. Yeah, we bait here. Have a rod in the back there with hook. So I'm gonna fish up hand line and a banking line, caster. Just to cut out a piece of this bait here. Wind speed picking up. Alright, nice fresh bonito. $30 for a bonito. I so want to fish, so we had I had to buy it. Right, so hate to pass a knife on the kayak, but oh Lord, I ain't work with no beat board. Alright, so here we go. So nice, we have two hook on this we have two hook on this caster, which is good. I don't want to cut on the kayak. Use the top of this. I don't want to cut on top of this too, but yeah. So we're gonna set out this first. I want to try some lures to big up for Adonis for blessing up with our kit with lures. Definitely a good bait. The bait wouldn't keep coming out, so you see how it goes. We'll set out the rod line. Right, nice. So we touch there. We just raise up this and hook that there. So anytime we see that start to spin out of proportion there, fish in the house. Nice. So we can just turn around here now and get this rod here. Set out this rod. Hey, we have to hook on this too. What nice. So I don't want to fight up and tie up line. Normally I don't really prepare tie up lines and things before I come out. I just do that when I reach out. But today I ain't had to tie up no line. Just a bait up and fish. Alright, let me get the next piece of this bonito here. Brush. Let's screw on something here for a plate or something to cut bait. One thing I have to be careful of this blood going in the water. Get a big shark hunting out here. Now feed a little spin on the caster there. Nice. Hook up on a nice salmon today. Salmon's fry tonight. Beautiful, man. Gourmet style for them fish. Alright, something wrong here. Lovely. That's the link. Now this rod, lock it in place there. Always set your drag when you're fishing. Yeah. Drag is a very important thing when fishing. If you don't set your drag, you could snap your rod. Nice. So here we go. I don't need a cast, but I'll cast a little away from the boat, the kayak. Something like over there. Yep. Lock off this and wait for it now. Yep. Alright, so let me wait for it. Nice weather so far. You can imagine about the night and in the morning. Yeah. Alright, so we wait for it. We are 2 cutlass there. Alright folks, I think I have a fish on here. Yes sir, fish on, fish on. Small fish, big fish. Let me see what it is, fish on, but fish definitely on. Cutlass fish I believe. Still not sure. Hey! Woo! Yeah! Red fish in the house, boy. Nice reds too, boy. Oh gosh, we getting through, boy. Oh yes, nice folks. So we have a nice red fish in the house here. We get through, we get through, we get through. Definitely today we get through. We swallow good too. Nice. So far thing nice. Three pliers. We need to work the pliers here. Red fish in the house, folks. First fish, red fish. Alright. We need to put him out of misery. We let them suffer too much. That's right there. You just clip them there. And that is it. Hope you jump out, huh? Right. So we getting through so far. Just need a few more like that. Right folks, so we had a little change in the direction of the current, so we had to cast forward now and set the rod in this rod holder here. Yeah. Alright. Alright, so we need to cast out that way and set the rod in that rod holder in front there. I'm not sure, but I think I have something on this banking line. Alright, so you set out that there. Kinda light drag. Lovely, beautiful there, man. Nice. We have a forward view here now. We check this line. Beat back up this line if there's nothing. Nah, I believe I nothing. Beat probably gone. Beat still there. What's going on? Like you don't need one red fish towel. No man, I don't. Gotta keep a sharp eye out on the rod. The way how the boat rocking, I don't know if the rod getting a bite or not. Can't tell. Only when we stand still for a while, then we could tell if we get a bite. Definitely when you had the caster in your hand and the boat rocking or not, you could tell if you get a bite. Yeah, so we'll come back on in a bit. Seems like you're having a party somewhere out there. I don't know if the camera mic picking up the music, but oh yeah. Alright folks, the tide change or current or nothing, the block get away from the bottom there and we drifting. We drift about 100-200 feet already from their spot. I don't know if them fish can bite or we drift. And like somebody let go the tata in the water from the boat. Seen something brown floating going up there. Gosh, boy. I hope it's not that. Huh. Alright, we drifting. Here we are, some soldiers in a small boat. Fishing. 4 of them in our boat, 8 foot long. Fishing. Alright. We hope this anchor hold back this block. Right, anyway, if we drift to the corner there, we'll fish down that side. Yeah. Folks, big game here. Big game. Big game. I hope it's not no stupid fish. Big game here. Big game here. Big game here. Look at that. Oh Lord. Bigger one this time. Hey, hey. Woo. Boy, if only know how I feel in here right now. Hey, hey. Big reds in the house. About 2 pounds or so. Ay, ay, ay. Oh Lord, look at that. Thing nice, folks. Thing never been so nice before. Put him out of misery one time. Oh no! No, 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 no. Don't get that way. No, no, no. Don't get that way. I will bake you later. Nice fish here, boy. We are playing with Tina. We got put here inside the cooler. Yeah, we are playing games with you. Alright folks, so we getting through. We getting through here. 2 reds so far. No catfish yet, which is good. Yes sir. And the wind starts picking up a bit, not much. Thing nice. It's all the other side. Alright folks, I think I have another fish here in the... Oh gosh. The old catos. Alright, well, a catos bite here. We have one. Ooh, we are line spinning out here, boy. Alright, we are line spinning out here, folks. What we have here? Nothing? Nah, man, that line can't be spinning out so for nothing. Oh, shucks. Alright, we are not on this line. We're gonna beat up some fresh bait and set back them lines. I didn't expect him this catos here today, man. This catos make me feel sad here. Anyway, I am the catfish. I am the catfish slayer after all. Had to slay some catfish in between. How we go look? Come, please do come back. Hey, hey, go on. Nice. So we're gonna set back some fresh bait here. Take out them steel bait and set back fresh bait and see what we're on. Right, so we have some fresh bait here now. Oh gosh, we're going here now. Well, yes, sir. Something happened here. Alright. We deal with this and we'll come back on. I know how that wrap up there. Right, so we have fresh bait in the water now. So let's see what we're going here now. Fresh bait. We're looking for 3 pound, 4 pound reds to go man bake tonight when the weather kick in. Right, so we wait for it. Lovely. There. Line singing out here, boy. What go on here? Anything? Nope. Alright, we'll come back on when we get the rail jam. Oh gosh, folks, fish on the 2 rod. Rod and the caster. Let's see what having the caster here first. Oh gosh, catos, catfish slayer. Alright. And them catos that a bite, boy. That is frustrating, man. Oh, alright, we have fish on the rod here too. Fish after fish, but there's what type of fish biting? Come on, we were reds, we were red. No. Almost had him there. Almost had him. Alright. I think we should get him any minute now. Come on, take and go, take and go. Take and go. Alright, we won't take home no memory card space here. We got cut off and come back on when it take. Alright folks, we had an influx of boats coming in from up the islands. They say over 100 boats. Take a screenshot of the boating app where the boats coming down the island through the Bocas. So I'll show you all that. Yeah. I wonder why that look like one. It had two inside with flags from up the island. Yeah, so vibes nice, place cool, and we catching fish. Something. Hey! Snake. You want it? Yeah. Nice one. What are you doing? Tours? Tours? Alright. Melissa and tours. Alright, cool man. Yeah. In Anchorage? Oh, and you're going there and pack up? Alright, cool. Yeah. Tonight and tomorrow, but I'll come, right? Yeah. That good vibes, man. Alright, cool. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, folks, so we have Melissa on there, all social media platform, tours and cruise. Yeah. Bye. Melissa on. Alright, the captain over the owner. I don't know if it's the owner or the captain, but yeah. Right now we had to get a snake out at this line. Oh gosh. I need to get this. I don't know what kind of eel is that, but looking like Satan. Looking scary. Alright, so let me out that and we'll see what next. Alright folks, I'll drift about 1,000 feet. Anchor wasn't holding. And here we have Barracuda Rock. Yeah, the reason why we call that Barracuda Rock is that time I went up on that rock and sun was on top there and saw a barracuda right around here swimming. So that's why we call it Barracuda Rock. I hope we have no stone here to look. Wow, big oysters there. What seems like fish deal with them. We have the cactus that resemble the dragon fruit there. Yeah, and we have some oysters here on the rock too, but wow, some big ones. And we have a rock right there that could burst the kayak. Just check out the size, yeah. Massive oyster, it's hard to open. Right, that's too hard. Alright, so we go in the hole there. In the back of the sunken ship inside that hole there and try for some redfish. What a wrong barracuda rock going on board right now. Nice rock to climb up on and fish. And right around this corner there we have a camping spot. With a camp right now. I ain't put our people in it. Probably I'll go up and explore a bit. Seems like the concrete ledge fall down into the water. Seems like we ain't have no one in sight. No campers in sight here. Or do we have across there? Yeah, we have proper camping temp there. I think it have people sleeping inside here. And if it's local of any. Alright, so we're going right around that wreck inside that hole there and do some fishing for the while. Yeah, boy, we have people living here, boy. Way restricted area. No unauthorized person beyond this point. And we have camp like that in the area. Alright, so we're going around the corner here inside that little sheltered bay there. Hopefully the anchor should hold and stay one place. Oh, we have the ship all on it here. Around the ship should have real big game. The ship right at the bottom of the ship, the front of the ship. So I guess all here is nice spot to anchor and fish. Now we have a next ship there, a tree grain out of that ship. Wow. Right, we're gonna anchor here. Timothy. What my next boy name? Yeah. Right, so we're gonna anchor right here and try a thing. We have a few cruise ships with Pelican coming back out. The Pelican went in with a crew a while ago and coming back out. We have the harbour master out there. Seems like we have more boats coming in than me yacht. A lot coming in from up the islands. Yeah. Alright, so let me get this stone down and see what we could do here. We get a little lucky. Alright, so we're getting out of this bay here. Fish for about 15 minutes and I get a bite. So I believe when you're fishing on a spot and you're getting no bite is to leave. We go in there, we see some birds there, some frigate birds. They're diving in the water and picking up some fish. I don't know if it's cutlass fish or what, but these birds are real good. Right out there we're gonna fish and see what's going on. Alright folks, if I've seen well, I fall upon something with the wheels there. Seems like a kayak cart. I'm not too sure. I'll launch and check out that. Yeah, definitely gonna launch and check out that. That thing looking like a kayak cart or something useful. Kinda sketchy to get there with these rocks. I think I'm gonna have to launch there and walk across. Yeah, that looking interesting. Alright. Water clear here. Alright, nice shoreline here. Gotta get all my slippers there. Oh no, rocks. Alright, so let's go and see what is that. That's something looking interesting there. Oh, this island here is our monkeys them on the edge here. This area here. So we kinda halfway pull up the kayak and hope they float away. Alright, to make sure not pull it up a little more. Sure it ain't going nowhere. Yeah, lovely. Alright, I think we go there for a few minutes. We just walk up there fast and see what's that device. If that is a kayak cart, well, I'll have two now. Wait that. All right. Definitely something where we could use. Alright folks, I'll get through here, boy. Look at that. Ooh, it's full of water. Let that empty out. Look at that. Bearing solid wheels. Hey, hey. Well, just look at that. Nice. Beautiful. And it could take welding, so we gotta weld up our bracket there and we'll do something with that. Today's my lucky day. Good find. Alrighty, keep eye on the kayak there. We'll just take a little walk up on this corner here. Seeing a little place interesting there. Yeah, that little spot looking interesting. Whoa, what's that? Alright. Alright, interesting little zone here. Look and make it out there, boy. And keep eye on that kayak. Alright, nice little spot here to go and fish. Come up and stand up here and cast line out there. Yeah, not too amusing one time. Alright, let me head back there and I ain't leaving that wheels at all. I know where it come out from. Anybody could tell me where that wheels come out from? What it come out from, not where. What it come out from. Oh, beautiful, man. Look at that. You all remember friends and funny Miss Patricia, that is for the kayak, and this one is for the boat. So I'm gonna like weld some brackets coming up and send it out so where the boat could fit on top there. Beautiful. I have to get all the water from this first. Have a lot of water, heavy. I have to drain all this water. Wheels full with water. Alright folks, so we're gonna put this on the kayak, go around the corner, fish a bit and head out, meet Moti and head home. Yeah. We get through so far. We catch 2 redfish, a cutlass fish, 1 jump in the boat, and yeah, weather seems to be real nice still. Right, we'll see how it goes. So this weather will change up by midnight or so. I ain't too sure. So there we have a piece of treasure there. I'm gonna make a beautiful cart for the boat. And we already have the kayak cart, so we're in the game there now. Time to launch back and head back out. Just looking around to see if we see any more treasures. Huh. That is one of the best finds I could ever find on our shoreline. Blue flies on the bait. Alright, so let me head around the corner there and see if we catch a few more redfish before it starts to get dark. It's about 5 p.m. by now. We didn't get much daylight left. Alright, so let me head out there now. Hey, nice folks, fish on. I hope it's not catus. Please, let it be something a little better than that. Please, please, please. Oh gosh, catless slayer in the house. Watch, catus in the house here. Alright, I think I done fish for the day. Catus in the house, boy. Nice waters like this. Them catus them. Alright, I get this courage already in this spot. We'll try back again. I believe I'm drifting a bit. Just monitoring it a bit. Yeah, drifting. I'll make an anchor for this, weld up anchor. The stone thing won't work. Yeah. We have a next boat coming there. That could be a boat from up the islands. Yeah. Total me is the next catus here, you know. Oh gosh, oh, the same one. Oh Lord, the next one. Catus have one here. The next catus have one. No folks, they are dangerous thing to do is shake all them catus, you know. Why you shaking them catus if that bone pass flip and stick on your hand? Hey, you're good to go. Fever like that. Alright, we go try again. If I pull up our next catus, I've done fish here. Definitely. I go inside the bay there and try something, cause here again kinda windy. Alright folks, so we have this bay here. Just looking to see what wash up valuable. I think I'm seeing something there, but not too sure. Something black, looking like I know what. Alright, so I'm gonna go on show and check out that. Probably is our next, might be our next good find. Yeah, looking like our next good find. Yeah, looking like a dumbbell from here. Yeah, so this find it looking like a dumbbell from here. But I mean, what a dumbbell could be doing floating, eh? Heavy. Alright, so we could just pull up this halfway here, secure that, and let me see what's that there. We have slippers and garbage. We're going to see the main thing where we come to check out. Alright folks, we come to check out what is this piece of device here. What do you all think is this? What is this? Oh, this is a water bottle. This is valuable to me, boy. I know drink from this. Nah, I think I'll take this. Decent or not, but yeah, decent. Could probably fill it with concrete. Fill it with concrete and exercise. What do you all think? Yeah? Fill it with concrete and use a dumbbell. I think I'll take it. Yeah. I have dumbbells home, eh? What? You know? Alright, whoa. Something past there, boy. Sea getting rough. Still thinking if to take this. When this full of it might be heavy, you know. Right folks, we go you take it, you cut out the side, put it flat on the ground and fill it with some concrete. And we have a dumbbell. Yeah? It's second find for the day. Rest you day. And we head back out round the corner and do some fishing. Wow, we have a big ship coming out there. Atlantic Spirit. Alright. So meet me around the corner there. Alright, so before we head around the corner there, for those who watch the video would remember me and my kids them come there and bathe and stuff and had a ball. Yeah, and as always say, I'll bring them back here to bathe in this little shallow zone here and cook a pot or something for them there and chill out the day. So that's our plan yet to happen. So meet me around the corner now. We have the Atlantic Spirit heading out. Alright folks, look at that day. Clean fresh mountain. That came down a few weeks ago or so. Because the last time I was here, that wasn't so and all them rocks wasn't loose there. So that came down a while ago. And look at them beautiful cactus up there. Wow. I could only dig out a cactus big like that and plant it home by me, that would be good. Nice rock to come up here and fish the night. Fish right out here. Ooh, alright, we have the sunlight there now. Alright, we have some pelican feeding there, boy. So, and here, boy, Jerome, I always try to find back the boat here, boy, but I ain't seen it. I forget the name of the boat too. Partner Jerome Daniel. There's a boat with a blue sail. One of them sailboats there. Yeah. We have our next party boat coming out. Alright, so we're going to fish a little bit somewhere in the corner so and call it a day after. Yeah. Yes, folks, there we have the Sydney. Let's dance, Sydney. I don't know where that boat come from, but never saw it here. I believe it's from up the islands. Yeah, beautiful boat. Wow. Alright, folks, anybody curious to call that number to find out what was the price of that boat? For sale, 1868 687 3961 687 3961. Sailboat. Alright, so I'm gonna call the number. Just curious to find out what was the cost of that boat. We have one in the back there, definitely a yellow flag. Definitely there's a boat where coming the island right out the storm. Hurricane. Yeah. Alright, folks, so we have Seduction Fountain Patriot something. So we can find out where them folks from. If they from up the island and came in to ride out the hurricane. Alright, so them folks from Grenada, they came in about lunchtime today to ride out the hurricane. They said they ain't leaving the boat up there in the water to get ruined like this one in front of me here, this sunken boat here. So I believe Moti chilling there. What we could have around this sunken boat here, boy. I ain't gonna fish again now. I just came to relax, chill at 5, do a little paddle exercise and catch a fish or two, which I did, and head home. Oh, wow, yeah, some big oysters on this boat here, boy. Wow, look at them oysters. Wow, fat oysters on this boat. So we head back by Moti and see what going on. Alright, folks, we have our next sailboat here. Somehow I believe they bring this here just for it to sink. I don't think any money go down. Refurbish that boat just like that one across there, just to sink and cause a reef. Another one across there, sink and cause a reef. Another one on the shore. So I don't know who boat it is, be if it's local or foreign or what. You just bring your boat, let it sink, and you don't have nothing to worry about. I mean, if these people bringing a boat and leaving it like this to sink, they give somebody it. Give somebody it, let them make use of it. Yeah. Now that's our aim board. I believe them both have diesel engines. With the sail. Yeah. Alright, we seen the van there, but I ain't seen Moti. Moti probably taking a sleep. Alright folks, we have a thingamajig here. It wasn't looking too nice from far. It was looking like it just bend and break up, but it's a boat. That's a serious kind of wajang boat there, boy. Wow. Okay. We have people fishing on the side. Wonder what they're catching. And the car park full across there. Hope I could come out. Is it? Yes, I'll come and push it up. Right, folks, we done fish. Came here just to chill at 5. Me and Moti. Yeah. Yeah, Moti having a little view of them boats coming in and stuff. Storm. Yeah, so we had almost 100 boats. One of the yachties them said. Yeah. We have people fishing down here and chilling. People fishing on the left and on the right. Water super clear. And we're looking to leave this place in a bit and head home. Yeah. So hope you all enjoy that little segment there. You're probably going to the yacht club. Yeah, so hope you all enjoy that little segment and see you all in the next one. Right folks, and this is how the fish went down. We have a fresh caught redfish there. There's some bok choy there, not pak choy here, bok choy. And we have this fish broth here. Yeah, fish broth. Right folks, so we just adding with fish there. Freshly caught, not too fresh, caught yesterday, snapper. And then we'll add in our bok choy in a bit. And there we have it. Snapper caught on our adventure. Fish broth. Ah boy. Nice. Now to sample this magnificent, beautiful fish broth sauce here. Thing for the weather. Yes sir. Very folks. Hope you'll enjoy that little segment. The adventure. I didn't do much of the cooking on the end here, but yeah. See you all in the next one.